Let's go, Hazel. Let's go, Mommy. Careful.
We could go through there. We could come
Careful. Oh, she just stepped. Hazel, grab her hand.
I think
Okay, you want to hold Mommy's hand?
Hello.
Hi, Hazel.
Hello.
Where are you going, Ariana? Yeah? Where are you taking me?
Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going, Ariana?
You don't know? Are you taking Mommy out for a walk? Yeah? Okay, where do you want to go? It's raining outside. Hey, Ariana, say hi. Say hi. Okay, you don't want to say hi? Okay. So where are we going tonight? Oh. Oh yeah? We're just going out for a little walk? Okay. Oh. Oh, you're so cute, baby. Yeah. You see the water? Hey. You see the water?